Welcome students in my YouTube channel which is Biology by Mahesh sir. Today we will take next topic of the plant physiology for the class 12th and then class 11th. Clear? In this topic we will discuss about the ascent of sap. First we discuss the very common question which arises in the student mind, that how the plant absorb the water from soil and how this water transport from soil to the 30 to 50 feet height of the plant or the tree. How it is possible? It is possible due to the process which is called transpiration pull. Clear? So today our topic is how plant absorb the water from soil and then transfer to the different part of plant, even different part of tree, which is even 30 to 50 to 60 feet height. So our topic is ascent of sap. So before starting the topic, first, ascent means upward movement, sap means cell shape or the water. How the water move from soil to the plant part or tree part in the upward movement is called ascent of sap. Now, many theory propose to explain the ascent of sap. In these theory, the best fit theory is the transpiration pull theory. This transpiration pull theory proposed by the Dixon and Joly in 1894. This theory really reveal how the water transport from root region to the plant and the leaf and different part of plant here. So we take the first word, which is transpiration. Transpiration means the process by which water loss through the leaf is called transpiration. So here the water vapor released from the leaf, the process is called transpiration. And then pull means it is the process by which water travel from the root to the leaf. It is called pulling of water. So joint word is called transpiration pull, and the name of theory is called transpiration pull theory. So Dixon and Joly proposed this theory to explain the ascent of sap, to explain how the water transferred from the root to the leaf and then different part of plant. So first we take the transportation of water from soil to the root, after then root to the xylem, and then xylem transport the water to the different part of plant. So first we take the root. We know root possess the many single cell structure which is called root hair, and these root hair covered by the soil particle, and these soil particle contain water. So first mechanism apply here, that the water which present in a soil, now travel to the root hair by the process is called diffusion. So first stage, we can easily reveal that the water which present in a soil travel from the soil particle to the root hair by the process is called diffusion. It is the inactive process in which when it is saturated with water, it absorbs the water from the soil. Now after the root hair, the epidermal cell or root cell here present. These root cell or epidermal cell absorb the water from one cell to another cell. Clear? One cell to another cell by the process is called osmosis. So two mechanisms apply in the absorption of water from soil to the root or upper part of root. First is the diffusion, second is osmosis. Clear? Now second we take how it is just possible only the very short height of the plant. Now in long size plant which is 30 to 50 to 60 feet height and few meter height, it is very insufficient pressure which supply the water to the different part of plant. So which pressure apply here? First diffusion. Diffusion transfer the water from soil to the root hair. Now root hair release the water to the epidermal cell or the cell which present in the root by the osmosis till the upper part of the root where the xylem is present. Now the xylem work start. Xylem receive the water. Here it is a receive the water and transport to the different part of plant. So one question arises in the mind that xylem is not a machine or the pump which pull the water and distribute it. It is just a dead tissue, dead cell which present in a plant, or just a pipeline which present in a plant for supply of water and minerals. So how it is possible? So it is possible through the transpiration pull. Now what is a transpiration pull? Due to transpiration, the excess water lost by the plant. So plant consistently lost the water, and due to this loss of water, the cell of plant, mesophyll cell of plant, contain less water, and these less water create diffusion pressure deficiency. The high diffusion pressure deficiency means the high amount of solute and low amount of solvent. That means high amount of solute and low amount of water or solvent. So high amount of solute create the high amount of diffusion pressure deficiency, which is called DPD. And DPD also denoted as the suction pressure, means it creates the demand of water inside the cell. So in mesophyll cell and leaf cell, it increases the demand of water, and due to the high demand of water, it creates the pressure which is called suction pressure. These suction pressure wave, the wave of these suction pressure travel from the upper part of leaf. Here the leaf mesophyll cell create the suction pressure, or SP. These suction pressure wave travel from this area and then move to the upper part of root. And these suction pressure pull the water and then transfer to the different part of plant. So it is called transpiration pull. Now three words is important in this transpiration pull. First is the cohesion, addition and transpiration pull. And these three words completely explain the transportation of water. So before this topic I explain that what is the transpiration, second what is the transpiration pull, third how water travel from soil to the root. So these are the main basic topic. Now we take the explanation which proposed by Dixon and Joly. Now Dixon and Joly explain that water move from soil to the different part of plant by cohesion, addition and transpiration pull. First is the cohesion. Cohesion means joining of water molecule. So these water molecule join when it start here. When it is here, the water molecule join. So the term is called, or the pressure or the force is called cohesion force. So Dixon Joly proposed that the cohesion force join the water molecule so that it easily travels the water molecule without any breaking. So it is cohesion. Now addition. Addition means the stem area or xylem area, they provide the pressure or the helping pressure which maintain the addition of water molecule. That means when these water molecule join, the xylem wall and the stem wall provide the extra pressure or extra force which join the water or maintain the joining of water. So it is called addition. Clear? So two terms, first is the cohesion, second is called addition. So two term is related to maintain the continuity of water. Continuity means here the water wave start and then transfer the water at the different leaves. So it is called continuity. So these continuity maintained by cohesion and then addition. Now what is the role of transpiration pull? Role of transpiration pull is it suck the water from here. Clear? Suck the water from the upper part of root by the xylem. So it is a three part which completely explain the transpiration theory or pull. Again I explain. First of all, ascent of sap means the process by which water molecule transport from root to the different part of plant is called ascent of sap. Now second, which transpiration pull theory, it is a perfect theory or best suited theory which explain the transpiration pull proposed by the Dixon and Joly in 1894. Clear? So transpiration pull theory explain the three terms or three forces which applied for transpiration of water: cohesion, addition and transpiration pull. Cohesion means the water molecule add by the force which is called cohesion. Addition means these addition of water molecule is maintained by the some other forces which apply by the stem or xylem, which is called addition force. Transpiration pull is the pull which is due to the transpiration, which create the diffusion pressure deficiency and suction pressure, and this pull is travel from the leaf region to the xylem region, which is upper part of root, absorb the water and then distribute the different part of plant. So it is transpiration pull. So these theory explain that how water travel or how water transport from root to the different part of plant. You can take a screenshot of this diagram. So it is transpiration pull theory. Now important questions which related to the theoretical and then objective questions examination. Transpiration pull important for both RBSc and CBSE, 3 to 4 marks. Clear? Question sap. What is a sap? Sap is called cell sap. Where the cell sap present in the plant cell? It is present in a vacuole. So it is a plant cell diagram. In plant cell, the sap is present inside the vacuole. So it is a cell sap. Next important, what is the transpiration pull? And why the transpiration pull? This transpiration pull is due to the excess loss of water by transpiration. It creates the diffusion pressure deficiency and which create the suction pressure. So suction pressure is important to pull the water from the root to the leaf. And these are the three forces applied for transpiration pull theory. Who proposed the transpiration pull theory? Dixon and Joly. Clear? So it is explanation and some MCQ based question. Clear? So thank you for watching my video. If it is useful for you, so please share and subscribe to the other student. Thank you.